Hello family and friends, it's your Jamaican girl Norleen. It's Sunday morning in the kitchen and I have for you another authentic Jamaican meal. So come on, my whimsical family, join me in the kitchen where I will share with you my cooking experience. Welcome family and friends to my kitchen. Now people, as you can see this, I have a kilogram of goat meat. It's already cut in sections, and so I'm just gonna put it in a pot with some water and allow it to thaw. Now family and friends, because it is in small sections, it thaws in about 10 minutes. I'm just gonna season this and allow it to marinate for about an hour or two. Now if you want to see how I season my meat, you can check the description box. It's time for the food for thought. It comes to us from 1 Corinthians 13 verse 13. And now abideth faith, hope, charity, these three, but the greatest of these is love. I want you to know that faith is essential to this your Christian journey. Hope is what keeps our faith alive, and it causes us to hold God to his promises. But that L-O-V-E, love, it gives our spiritual walk meaning. It is the foundation to all that we do. And so I encourage you all to give love wherever you go. All right, my whimsical family, let's get cooking. I have added 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. You see the flavor from the coconut oil. You have to use your coconut oil, or if you choose any other oil, it's quite fine. Now I'm gonna add to that my well-seasoned, well-marinated goat meat, and I'm just gonna cover this down and allow the natural juices from the meat to actually start the cooking process. After about 10 minutes, guys, this is what it looks like. And to that, I'm gonna add hot water, about 1.5 cups of hot water. It's always best because what I find is that it allows the meat to cook much quicker. If you are new to my channel, welcome to you. Remember to like my video, share my channel with your friends when this is over, and encourage them to subscribe. Have a conversation in the comment section and turn on your post notifications. As soon as I upload a video, you will be notified. Follow me on other social media sites at Whims Kitchen. Of course, start a conversation in the comment section. Share your thoughts about this video or suggest other Jamaican meals that you would like to see me prepare. All right, my whimsical family, let's get right back to cooking. So after about 45 minutes, the goat is all cooked. It is tender. I will remove it from the sauce. I will not throw away the sauce, people, because I will need it later on to make me a nice sauce to go with my goat. So guys, I will make a batter, and in about 1/4 cup of flour, I've added some green blended seasoning, some black pepper, complete seasoning, paprika. I've added to that some basil, and I've stirred it in to make a batter. I then add to that my cooked goat meat, coat it on all sides, guys, and then I will fry this. Family and friends, thanks for staying with me in the kitchen. Please remember, like my video, and if you haven't subscribed as yet, where you wait on, go ahead and please press that subscribe button. If you are celebrating a birthday, an anniversary, or any other extra special milestone in your life, congratulations to you and happy birthday from Whims Kitchen. Know that Whims love, appreciate, and celebrate you. Now let's get back to the pot. As you can see, the goat meat, it's frying nicely. It's all golden brown. You can smell the flavor of the garlic coming through while the goat is being fried. This certainly makes an interesting meal. So I have removed it from the frying pan, and of course I place it on paper towel to drain away the excess oil. Now guys, trust me, this is a borrowed recipe, but of course, you know, we Jamaican love goat, and see there, it's once again another of my mother's favorite from my pot. my kitchen onto my daughter's table. Now guys, for the sauce, all I did was to use the same sauce for my base that I cooked the goat in. I've added to that a little bit of brown gravy, an assortment of bell pepper, some scotch bonnet pepper, a little bit of onion, some powdered season. I allow it to thicken and it's all good. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. Thank you for liking my video, and thanks for your constructive comments in the comments section. It was my pleasure doing for you, cooking Jamaican style. I'll see you next week, guys, where I have for you another authentic Jamaican meal. See you guys next week. Love, 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 love. Mwah. Love you with all my heart.